Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing a June reset, so happy June. I'm so excited to be resetting for the summer and just preparing for some very relaxing and fun times just this year in the summer. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss another one of my videos, and let's get straight on into all the cleaning, decluttering, and a little bit of book content that I'm going to give you guys today. Okay, first things first, we are decluttering because I just have so many things on my desk. I feel like my issue with life in general is that, well, just like my room and like my space, is that I can't seem to put things back where they actually belong. I feel like if I had that habit of just putting things back where they belong, we wouldn't have this issue of me always cleaning in my videos, right? So I mean, you guys definitely like my cleaning videos, I guess, but I definitely feel like I need to build that habit of just like putting things back where they belong. But it makes for good content, so I'm putting back all these clothes that I tried on. I was trying to figure out like what outfits to wear, and I tried on like literally every single pant I had in my closet, I swear, and I just had to put it back. But yeah, I am so happy that this video literally falls on June 1st and that we are just resetting for the month together. Even if you watch this video after June 1st, at least we are getting productive together. I'm so excited for this summer because I'm just ready to like relax and do other content besides school content. So yes, I'm so excited for that, and I'm hoping that everything turns out really good this summer. Let me know what your summer plans are. I'd love to know, just in general. Next, we are cleaning. This is my current read. I'm reading Good Bad Girl by Alice Feeney. Hopefully by the next video I will already have it done, but I'm so invested in this book, guys. It is so freaking good, and I just feel like I don't know what's happening. Like, I don't know where it's gonna go. I feel like that's the thing. It is a thriller or like a psychological thriller. I don't really know, but it is just so good, and I just don't know where it's gonna go, and her writing is just so amazing. So I'm really excited to see how that goes. But overall, I will have more updates hopefully in the future. I also ended up changing my bed sheets after this video. Like, I literally didn't film it, but just know that I cleaned my bed sheets as well. I just felt like it was an important thing to add as part of my little cleaning and refresh for the new month. I also wanted to add a June TBR to this video. The first book is You May Kill Now Kill the Pride by Kate Weston. I just saw this at Barnes & Noble one day and thought that it looked like a book that I would read. Isn't that so crazy? If you didn't know, my favorite genres are like thrillers, fantasies, things like that. My next book that I have is House Across the Lake. I actually did soft DNF this like earlier last year. Oh, I don't know. I'm on page 50. I soft DNF'd it because it was just such a good book, and I felt like I was picking it up on the wrong time. So I definitely want to finish it, and I feel like now it's like the perfect time because it's like summer. Not that this is based in summer. It just like gives me summer vibes, I guess. The next book is The Maid's Diary. I saw this on Instagram one day, and I just decided that I needed to read it. Someone was just like raving about this book, and I was like, okay, it's sold, and now here it is. So I just feel like, I don't know, like the pool vibe kind of gives me giving off summer. Then we have The Unbecoming of Mariah Dyer. Every time I went to Barnes & Noble's, I swear guys, I would be like, I need this book. I really do. I really need this book for no reason. I know nothing about it. I think I looked it up and it said something like psychological thriller, paranormal, I don't know, something like that. So I'm so excited to like read it, and it is a series. And then the last book on my TBR is Throne of Secrets. I just love Carrie Maniscalco and everything that she writes. This is the second book of the series. The first book I gave it 5 stars, so I'm hoping that this book is good. A lot of people said that it's not, but you know, it's okay. But yeah, I usually don't have a TBR, so I thought I would add it in this video. And let me know if you want more book content, because I love reading and I love talking about books. So I'm always open to just, you know, reading some books with you. The next thing is dusting / disinfecting. I don't really have like a duster, but I do collect a lot of dust just like on my surfaces, I feel like. Especially since I do my nails in my room, I feel like just that powder and everything is everywhere. So I do have to clean it every so often, like pretty consistently. I do clean it after I do my nails, before and after, but I still feel like I have powder everywhere. Yeah, so I just like disinfect it. I also feel like I just have like dust just collects in my room so badly, and now that I have more white surfaces, I feel like they just get dirty quicker, so then I have to clean them. So that's another thing to keep in mind. If you're redoing your room and you have like white surfaces, they get dirty quicker, and then you have to just always be damn cleaning it. Like, I don't know, but I actually really like cleaning my desk because I feel like now I can work in a clean space now that it doesn't have like dust or powder or whatever. And I just feel like it makes the room feel a lot cleaner. So I would highly recommend just like taking a little disinfecting wipe on everything, all your surfaces. The next thing we're doing is a digital declutter. I feel like this is something that I actually overlook because I'm just like on my computer, my iPad, my phone like all the time, and I don't really think about like things that I have on it unless it says that I don't have enough storage. So the school year's over. I have a bunch of these folders of just like my schoolwork pretty much. So I ended up changing, like putting it all in one folder and then putting that in my Google Drive. I like to keep my just like older work because sometimes like if you apply for certain scholarships or just like different things, they ask for like a portfolio of your work, and I feel like it just comes in handy to have your work on deck, and then you know like what is good and what is not based off of like grades and things like that. So I like to keep my work until I'm like completely done with that school. So like when I was in high school, I kept everything from high school, and then eventually I can delete it. And then now that I'm in college, I'll just wait until I'm done with college and delete it eventually. Unless it's like work that I really, really love, then I'll probably end up keeping it. But digital declutter, something that we look over, but we actually need. Okay, a little scrapbook haul. I went to Hobby Lobby because I had a little craft night with my friends. I forgot to vlog it. This is why I'm not a vlogger, guys, because I will forget. I got this cute scrapbook from Hobby Lobby for like $12.99, I want to say. It was honestly it was a steal, to be honest. I got a bunch of paper. I got like 22 pages of paper. It is insane. I didn't need all of it, but once I saw like all these cute little papers and stuff, I was like, I need them for the future, I guess. So yeah, I'm not a vlogger because I wanted to film a little bit of the craft night, but I just forgot, so sorry guys. But yeah, I ended up literally after this video also scrapbooking a little bit more because I didn't like the cover of my like what's it called, the cover of the scrapbook, so I ended up just changing it completely. I just want to use this as like whenever I want. I do have a junk journal and like a Spanish journal, but I feel like I'm not really good at keeping it up to date, so I think a scrapbook will be fun to keep up to date and just like see how it goes. And yeah, I got a bunch of stickers from Hobby Lobby, and they had like sales. Someone told me though that sometimes their sales are like fake, like they're not real sales. I don't know. They were like 40% off, and then some of the ribbons that I got were also 40% off. And then here's me just putting away every little supply, all the little supplies I used for craft night. But yeah, as I was mentioning earlier, I really do love making book content, so let me know if you want more book content, because I mean, I might just make them even if you don't want them, but because it is my channel, sorry. I'm just joking. But yeah, I love hearing what you guys want. I would also love to make like journaling videos because I need to get back into that, but I just feel like sometimes I just forget to journal. The only time I will journal is like if I do it for a video or for a short or for you guys, pretty much. So if you want more videos like that, will definitely let me know because I will gladly do them. But yeah, it took me forever to like clean out that bag because I just had so many scrapbooking things, but I feel like now the motivation is flowing and I'm excited to scrapbook and journal more. I went to the pool to commemorate the start of summer with my friends. So here's just like a couple of things that I have in my pool bag that I needed to clean out and put away. So we got like the beach towel, sunglasses, hair clip, a protein bar, had water in there, a bunch of sunscreen, and lip gloss. But yeah, that is literally everything for this video. I know it was a pretty short and quick video, but I just wanted to, you know, get ready for the summer and make a video for you guys. So let me know what you guys want to see next. I hope you guys have a great start of your summer, and make sure to subscribe and the bell so you don't miss another one of my videos, and stay tuned until next Sunday's video because I promise you guys it will be an amazing one. Bye, angels.